Hello, garden enthusiasts. Welcome back to Time for Gardening, where we share tips, tricks, and inspiration to transform your outdoor spaces. If you're looking to turn your backyard into a lush paradise, you've come to the right place. Today, we'll explore stunning gardening ideas that are not only beautiful but also practical. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like this video, and let us know in the comments which idea you're excited to try. Let's grow together. First up is the magic of layered planting. By combining tall, medium, and low-growing plants, you can create a sense of depth and dimension in your garden. Think towering sunflowers or ornamental grasses at the back, medium-height hydrangeas, or roses in the middle, and lush ground covers like creeping thyme at the front. This technique not only makes your garden look fuller, but also provides a habitat for a variety of pollinators. It's an easy way to make your backyard truly captivating. Next, let's talk about creating a cozy retreat right in your backyard. Imagine a serene space with comfortable seating, surrounded by fragrant flowers, and the soothing sound of a water feature. Use soft lighting to make it magical for evening relaxation or entertaining guests. Add personal touches like wind chimes or a garden sculpture to make it uniquely yours. This space will quickly become your favorite spot to unwind. If space is limited, vertical gardening can transform even the smallest backyard. Install trellises, hanging planters, or living walls to grow everything from herbs to vibrant flowers. Vertical gardens not only save space, but also add a modern and artistic flair to your outdoor area. This is perfect for urban gardeners or anyone wanting to maximize their planting potential. Plus, vertical gardening is an excellent way to keep your plants organized and within easy reach. Why not make your garden both beautiful and functional? Edible landscaping lets you grow fruits, vegetables, and herbs that double as stunning garden features. Plant colorful Swiss chard, cascading cherry tomatoes, or a fragrant herb spiral. Mix them with ornamental plants for a visually appealing yet practical garden. It's a feast for the eyes and the table. Finally, let's talk sustainability. Incorporate eco-friendly practices like composting, rainwater harvesting, and planting native species to support local ecosystems. Using mulch to retain soil moisture and reduce water waste is another fantastic tip. A sustainable garden isn't just good for the environment, it's also easier to maintain and incredibly rewarding. Embrace these practices, and your backyard will flourish beautifully year-round. And there you have it. Stunning gardening ideas to transform your backyard into a dream space. Which idea are you excited to try? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to Time for Gardening and hit the notification bell so you never miss an episode. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with fellow garden enthusiasts. Until next time, happy gardening, and let's grow together.